Ladies and gentlemen, this episode will be huge because we are rolling out a new cutting-edge technology to Surfshark VPN. Want to know what it is? Keep watching. Introducing Surfshark Nexus, a new chapter for the whole consumer VPN industry. Here's how it looks when you connect to a traditional VPN. As you can see, there's a single point of connection to a random server in your chosen location, meaning that your security relies on a single server, and if you were to switch to a different location, your IP would be exposed for a short period of time. On the other hand, Surfshark Nexus servers are connected together, and when switching servers, you are not disconnected from a VPN. This makes Surfshark a true virtual private network. Get it? Network. Upon connecting, you don't just connect to a single server, but rather a network of servers that communicate with each other. But what does that mean to you, our Surfshark user? Well, with Nexus, you can expect better VPN speeds, better VPN stability, and better online privacy. And that is not all. It also opens a window for us to release new and very exciting features such as IP Rotator, IP Randomizer, and Dynamic Multi-Hop. These features will be rolling out throughout 2022 and 2023. And starting today, you can already try one of those features, IP Rotator. With it enabled, your IP address will rotate while your VPN location will remain the same. This will make it even more difficult to track you online. At the moment, this feature is available on all major platforms. You can enable it by going to the VPN settings and then advanced settings. I also had a chance to sit down with the system engineers behind this amazing tech and ask them more questions. We go in depth on how the solution works and discuss some of the thoughts behind it. So definitely check out that video for more information. For those of you who read our Help Center articles to solve any issues or learn about Surfshark, we have some great news. The Surfshark Help Center received a redesign update which streamlined everything. Now it is much easier to get the information you need. Additionally, the update added better support for mobile devices and improved search indexing. Whether you have questions about Surfshark or need a step-by-step written article on how to set up a router, everything is there. So this is definitely a good time to take a visit to our Help Center. Surfshark Android app got a long-requested feature with the new 2.7.8 update. Once connected to the VPN, you will now have the ability to pause the VPN connection without disconnecting. This is useful in case you are having any kind of issues accessing particular content due to it needing your original IP for a short period of time. With this feature, you can pause your VPN for 5 or 30 minutes or 2 hours and then quickly resume without having to manually connect again. And for now, this is only available for Android, but other platforms will follow soon. If you are a Surfshark One user, then this next update will help you save a lot of time. Extensions, Windows, Android, iOS, and macOS apps all now have Surfshark One integrated in the app's UI. So now you can quickly access all Surfshark One features in a single app window. And if you still have not tried Surfshark One, then what are you waiting for? I highly recommend giving it a try and testing out all the features that it offers. You can upgrade by logging in on surfshark.com and then on the left side clicking on Alert, Search, or Antivirus. Keep in mind that there is no risk involved as we do have a 30-day money-back guarantee for all Surfshark One upgrades. And now it is time for our regular segment, Quick Bits. If you enjoy Quick Bits, then why not give this video a giant thumbs up? Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Adding new emails to Surfshark Alert just got a lot easier. With the latest update, you are now able to authenticate emails via link or code. Quick Connect button location setting was moved to the top of the VPN settings list. While it takes more clicks to reach this setting now, we recognize that the earlier sandwich icon was not as clear to new users. So now it sits nicely with the other VPN settings. At the moment, this change is present on iOS and Android, with others coming very soon. Windows app finally received the setting reorganization update, which made it easier to find all the settings you need. And finally, the Surfshark research team released the Data Vulnerability Thermometer. With this really cool tool, you can check how data breaches could expose you to online threats. You can select the data categories that were leaked, like your phone number, medical history, or others. The tool will take your selected data points and calculate how much this leaked data could put you in danger. Definitely give this one a try. I will leave a link to it in the description below this video. And that is all for this What's New in Surfshark episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get these videos to you as soon as they come out. And if you want to learn more about Surfshark Nexus, then go watch this video right here to learn more about it. But that's all from me. Take care.